My name is Helen Kay and I am the mother of Damon Kay, who goes to school at Uptown High School in Mirdiff. ICCA did a presentation at the school because part of the school curriculum is that they have to do extra community and service courses, and this is one of the courses that were offered to them at the school. I'm very impressed with the school. We didn't know that the school existed prior to them coming to the school and doing a presentation. I'm very impressed because it's extremely clean, the facilities are huge, and they offer a variety of courses to students and amateurs and professionals. I definitely think any parent should enroll their child into this course. First of all, it gets them out of the house, away from the internet. They are learning a skill, a life skill, which is cooking, as well as health and nutrition, and it prevents boredom, and of course it helps the mother in the kitchen. I would definitely recommend this program. My child has learned to become more confident. He has learned about the importance of healthy eating and nutrition and less takeaways.